Okay, students, all of you know we are discussing the class 11 mathematics trigonometry. Okay, measurement of angles. All of you know, and we are discussing the relationship between the three system of measurement of angles. Already in the previous class is discussed. Okay, there are three system of measurement of angles, and one is already know sexagesimal system, English system, centesimal system, French system, circular system. Okay, and in the sexagesimal system, one right angle is equal to 90 degree. One right angle is equal to 90 degree, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. In centesimal system, otherwise known as French system, in this system, one right angle is equal to 100 grade, 1 grade is equal to 100 minute. This is the what? Backward slash. Okay, and here 1 minute is equal to 100 second. Here see, the minute is denoted by the symbol forward slash. Here in case it is backward slash. Okay, here in the case of second, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. This is what? Double forward slash, and here double backward slash indicated by the symbol. Another system is known as circular system. In this system, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, and there is a relationship between the three system of measurement of angles. Three system of measurement of angles between the degree, radian, and grades, and it is that 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grades. Okay, and this relationship you would remember while we are converting the angle from one system to other system. And this last number 0.4 you must remember that 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grade. In this system we are going to discuss an exercise 4.1 of your addition book. Question number 2 I am discussing. In the previous class we already discussed question number 1. Okay, let's see. And in the question number 2 it is given that the angle is given in degree, and we are going to convert into radian. Here the conversion of angle from one system to other system. Okay, here the angle is given in what? Degree, and we are going to convert into radian. So convert the angle into radians. Okay, so question number 2, first bit, let me see. First point, the first point, it is given that it is given 300 degree. Okay, so it is given 300 degree. Yes, 300 degree given, 300 degree, and 300 degree we have to convert into what? Radian. Convert into radian. How much radian? Convert into radian. Understood or not? And you see this point, last point is most important. Okay, here we are going to, angle is given in degree, we are going to convert into radian. You see now, and you see the relationship 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, so using this, so let's write 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, so 1 degree, you know how much? How much? Pi upon 180 degree radian. Yes or no? And 300 degree, very simple. So pi upon 180 into 300 radian. Yes or no? Yes. So let's you cancel it, simplify it, and you see now, and your 0 0 is cancel. You can cancel 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30. After cancellation, it will be 5 pi is equal to 5 pi by 3 radian. Yes or no? Hence, we got 300 degree is equal to 5 pi by 3 radian. Very simple. This is the conversion of the angle from the degree to radian. Okay, the angle in degree given. Here we converted into radians using the relationship 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, the last 4 point. Okay, note it. Understand? Okay, question number 2. Let me see here for you. Similarly, you can convert the angle here. We are converting the angle from degree to radian. Here the question number 2, the second bit is given that 35 degree angle is given 35 degree. We are converting into radian. 35 degree is how much radian? Okay, understand? So let's see now. And according to the relationship, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Note down this one. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes, that implies 1 degree. How much radian? Yes, pi upon 180 degree. 8 radian. That implies 35 degree. How much radian? Yes, pi upon 180 into what? 35 radian. Understand? Yes, yes. So if you cancel this one, simplify. Can you cancel 35? You see now 5 7 is 35, and here 5 3 is 15, 3 30, 5 6 is 30. Yes or no? And after cancellation, here is 7, here is pi, and that is equal to what? That is equal to 7 pi by 36 radian. Hence 35 degree is equal to 7 pi by 36 radian. 7 pi by 36 radian. Okay, 7 pi by 36 radian. It clear? Understand? Very simple question. Okay, and this basic concept is most useful. And while you are studying the relationship between the trigonometric angles, while you are converting radian from degree to pi, degree to radian. Okay. Next question number 2, third bit. Okay, and question number 2, third bit is that minus 56 degree, minus 56 degree. Okay, we are converting into radian. Minus 56 degree is equal to how much radian? Okay, and similarly, using the concept 180 degree is equal to pi radian. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes, and 1 degree is equal to how much? 1 degree is equal to how much? Pi upon 180 radian. Yes or no? So minus 56 degree. Okay, so pi upon 180 into minus 56 radian. Okay, then you can cancel here. You can cancel 56. Okay, can you cancel 4? 4 1 ja 4, 1 16, 4 4 ja 16. Here 4 4 ja 16. Okay, so 18 minus 16 is 2, 20. 4 5 ja 20. Understand? Okay, hence we got minus 56 degree is equal to minus, here is 14, here is pi. So 14 multiplied pi is 14 pi divided by 45 what? Radian. Okay, so minus 56 degree is equal to minus 14 pi divided by 45 radian. Okay, note down here, write down, and also practice. Okay, question number 2, fourth bit. Question number 2, fourth bit we are discussing, and here the angle is given 135 degree. 135 degree is equal to how much radian? Okay, let's see. As per the relations, 180 degree, use the relations. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1, yes or no? So 1 degree is equal to how much? Yes, pi upon 180 radian. Then 135 degree, pi upon 180 into 135 radian. Okay, so we can cancel here. Yes, can you cancel by 5? You see 5 2 is 10, 13 5 2 is 10, it will be 5 7 is 35. Yes, again you see 5 3 is 15, 3 30, 5 6 is 30. Again you can cancel 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 4 is 36, 9 4 is 36. Okay, so hence we got after cancellation 135 degree is equal to 3 here pi, 3 upon pi, 3 pi. This is 3 pi upon 4. 3 pi upon 4 what? Radian. Understand or not? So 135 degree is equal to 3 pi by 4 radian. Okay, note down. Okay, understand? This is question number 2, fourth bit, and we converted 35 degree is equal to 3 pi upon 4 radian. Okay. Okay, next questions we are going to discuss, and this is the question number 2, fifth bit, and it is given minus 300 degree, and this is given minus 300 degree, and we have to convert it into radian. How much radian? Minus 300 degree. I think it is easy for you and you can do it. Yes or no? It's very simple. I hope you are taking interest and you are understanding the concept also, how to convert the angle from one system to another system. Okay, so using the concept, let's see. 180 degree, yes, is equal to how much radian? Pi radian, yes. So 1 degree is equal to how much? Pi upon 180 radian, yes or no? So and minus 300 degree is equal to pi upon 180 degree into minus 300. Yes or no? Radian? Yes. Yes. Okay. Understand? So you cancel this one. Cancel, yes. We can cancel here 0, here 0 we can cancel. Here you can cancel, yes. 6 we can cancel. 6 3 ja 18 and 6 5 ja 30. Yes or no? Yes. So after cancellation it will be, hence we get minus 300 degree is equal to minus, here what is the remaining factors? 5, here is pi, so it will be 5 pi by upon here what? 3, 5 upon 3 radian. Understand? So what is minus 300 degree? So minus 300 degree is equal to minus 5 pi upon 3 radian. Okay, understand? Okay, note down. Thank you. So in question number 2, the sixth bit, it is given, the angle is given in degree and minute, 7 degree 30 minute. Let's see. The angle is given 7 degree 30 minute, and here we have to convert this angle 7 degree 30 minute into what? Radian. Okay, understand? First of all, you see this 7 degree 30 minute. First of all, you convert minute into radian first. First you convert this 30 degree 30 minute into radian. First you have to convert minute to degree, then okay, suppose given 7 degree 30 minute. What will do here? 7 degree plus 30 minute. Can you write or not? Again 7 degree, and this 30 minute we can convert into what? Degree. And you see, as per the sexagesimal system, and 1 degree is equal to how much? 60 minute. It means 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, and here 30 minute is equal to how much? 30 upon what? 60 degree or not? Is or no? Okay, it means 7 degree plus 30 divided by 2, 1 by 2, 32 is 60. Can you cancel? 1 degree, and that is equal to 7 whole 1 by 2 degree. 7 degree plus 1 by 2 degree means 7 whole 1 by 2 degree, and 7 whole 1 by 2 degree is a mixed fraction. Converted in improper. 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 what? 15. 15 upon 2 degree. Yes or no? So here the if the angle is degree and minute, first of all you have to convert the minute into degree, then finally you got 7 degree 30 minute is equal to 15 upon 2 degree. Okay, then as per the relationship, you see, and 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, and 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes, and 1 degree is equal to what? Pi upon 180 radian. Understand? And 15 upon 2 degree is equal to pi upon 180 into 15 upon 2 radian. Okay, we can cancel here. We can cancel 15 1 ja 15. Directly we can cancel 15 1 ja 15. 3 15 2 ja what? 30. 15 1 15, 3, 18 minus 15, 3, 3 0 here, 30. Okay, so it will be 12. So here 12, here 2, 12 to the 24. So here will be pi. This is called what? Pi upon 24. What? Radian. Yes or no? Yes. So hence we got what we got here? 7 degree 30 minute is equal to pi upon 24 what? Radian. Is it clear? Is it clear? 7 degree 30 minute. Understand? So this is how, if the angle is given in degree and minute, first we convert the minute into degree, after that you convert into radian. Okay, understand? Okay, question number here question number 2, 7th bit of exercise 4.1, and the question is that 125 degree 30 minute, 125 minute 30 minute, and here you have to convert into radian. Okay, so as per the here the angle is given 125 degree, here the angle is given in minute, so 30 minute, first to 30 minute you have to convert into what? Degree. First 30 minute you have to convert in degree. Okay, let's see. 125 degree 30 minute can be written 125 degree plus 30 minute means what? 30 upon 60 degree. Can you write or not? Yes? Yes or no? Because already you know 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, or 60 minute is equal to how much? 1 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60, and 30 degree is equal to what? 30 minute is equal to what? 30 upon 60 degree, right? And 30 upon 60 means what? 30 divided by 60 is 2, 1 by 2. So 125 whole 1 by 2 degree. Yes or no? And that is equal to 125 2 into 2 multiplied what? 125 into 2 how much? 250. 250 or not? Yes. 250 plus 1, 200 what? 51 upon 2 degree. Upon 2 degree. 251 upon 2 degree. Right? Yes. And here 125 degree 30 minute is equal to 251 upon 2 degree. And again you see 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree, you see again 180 degree is equal to pi radian, and 1 degree will pi upon 180 radian. Yes, and 251 by 2 degree will pi upon 180 into 251 by 2 radian. So okay, so we will cancel this one. Yes, so I think we cannot cancel 251 by 5 plus 2 7, it is not divided by 2, so 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8, it is also not divided by 3. So answer will be like that, 251 into pi, which is 200 what? 51 pi. Yes, by, and 180 multiplied to what? What? 180 multiplied to 18 to the 30, so 300 radian. Hence we got 251 degree by 2, 251 upon 2 degree is equal to 251 pi upon 300 radian. Yes, it means 100, we got 125 degree and 30 minute is equal to 251 pi divided by 300 what? Radian. Is it clear? Okay, understand? Okay, note down. Okay, noted. Here is the last bit. of question number 2, which is the 8th bit, and here we are converting the angle from what? Degree to radian. Okay, and here in this question the angle is given minus 47 degree 30 minute, minus 47 degree 30 minute, and we are going to convert into what? Radian. Okay, and here you see, first of all you convert minute into degree. So let's see now, minus 47 degree 30 minute, similar process, minus 47 whole 30 by 60 degree, can you do right directly or not? Yes. Or minus 47 1 upon 2 degree, yes, understand? So that is equal to minus 47 to the what? 2 7 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14, carry 1, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9, so it is minus 94 plus 1. Here 47 multiplied 2, 2 7 ja 14, 4 carry 1, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9, 94 plus 1 95, 95 upon 2 what? Degree. Okay, understand? Is it correct? Okay, check your multiplication. 47 multiplied 2, 2 4 ja, it is what? 94, 94 plus 1 95, 95 by 2 degree. Okay, now this 95 by 2 degree, now you see minus 47 degree 30 minute is equal to how much? Minus 95 by, which is equal to 95 by minus 95 by 2 degree, and here, and very simple, we know 180 degrees will pi radian, and 1 degree is equal to how much? Pi upon 180 radian. So if simple, directly you can convert into, if the angle is given, okay, so 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So similarly minus 95 by 2 degree, directly you can do minus 95 by 2 into how much? Pi upon 180 radian. Okay, and you cancel, we can cancel 95, here 100 we can cancel by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 4 45, 5 9 ja 45, here 5 3 ja 15, 18 minus 15 3, 30, 5 6 ja 30, understand? So here it will be minus, here it is minus 59 pi, so it will be, hence we shall get minus 47 degree 30 minute, yes, and which is equal to how much? Yes, we can cancel into, so it is 59, yes, it is 59, 95, oh it is mistaken, sorry, it is mistaken, you are cancelling 5 na, so here what? 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 4 45, 5 na 19, here it will be 19, we will cancel by 95 by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 4 45, 5 9 ja 45, okay, 19 5 ja 95, yes or no? So it will be minus 95 minus 19 pi, here minus 19 into pi, minus 19 pi 36 into 2 is 72, okay, what? Radian. So minus 19 pi by 72 radian. So here was mistaken in the calculation, just to rectify your calculation, here 95 was divided by 5, it will be 19, not 59, okay. So check your calculation if it is mistake. Okay, so this is the concept of question number 2. We discussed how the angle we can convert from degree to radian. I hope and you are looking forward to the question and you will practice it. Okay, thank you all of you.